Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your financial information with Intuit step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial information security. Identify where your sensitive data is stored, whether it's on your computer, mobile device, or in the cloud. Ensure you have a strong password for your Intuit account. Use a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Change your password regularly to enhance security. Enable two-factor authentication on your Intuit account. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Review your account activity regularly for any unauthorized access. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately to Intuit. Keep your software and applications updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Install antivirus software on your devices to defend against malware. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your financial information. Consider using a virtual private network or VPN for added security. Regularly back up your financial data to a secure location. Use secure storage options, such as encrypted external hard drives or cloud services. Educate yourself on phishing scams and how to identify fraudulent communications. Never share your account information or passwords with anyone. If you receive unexpected requests for information, verify their legitimacy through official channels. Familiarize yourself with Intuit's security features and resources available to users. Stay informed about any security updates or alerts from Intuit. By taking these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your financial information with Intuit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.